days. This will follow up to 60 cases. Here, exactly does not mean who are the dhatu. Dhatu means here dhatu arthaha. Dhatoho arthaha. Arthaha ityukte abhidhanartha. That is meaning or purpose. The meaning of the dhatu or the purpose for which dhatu is employed. That means yam prayojanamudishya dhatu pravartate tasmin. This dhatu in which context or for which purpose it is used, that is called dhatu. Dhatu sambandhaha iti धात्वर्थानां संबंधः इति तस्य व्युत्पत्ति. धात्वर्थानां संबंधः, that is the connection between the combination of two or more dhatus. What is this sambandhah? What is the connection between these two dhatus? That is defined as विशेषण विशेष्य संबंधः. Visheshanam, a particular dhatu will be the Visheshanam and the other dhatu will be the Visheshyam. So, Visheshyam means the qualified dhatu. The qualified shabda is called Visheshya. Qualifying shabda is called Visheshanam. So, between two dhatus, the connection is, the sambandha is, one is Visheshanam, it is qualifying word, qualifying dhatu, the other is Visheshyam, the qualified dhatu. So, with one dhatu, we are qualifying the other. When this type of connection exists, then the following pratyayas have to be used. Here, there is a special meaning to this sutram. When this connection is existent between dhatus, the dhatu with in different senses can be combined. Can be combined without indulging in incorrectness. Dhatus in different tenses, even when they are combined in the same sentence, different tenses, even they are combined in the same sentence, the usage is not improper. The usage is fit. The usage is proper, etc. So, here the Vrittikara has written the Vritti of this sutram like this. Visheshana visheshye bhave sati ayatha kaloktaha api pratyayah साधवो भवन्ति. अयथा कालोक्ताः प्रत्ययाः. यथा कालम इत्युक्ते कालम अनतिक्रम्य, not violating the tense in which it is to be used. Ayatha kaloktaha means violating the tense in which it is to be used. So the tense is, even if it is violated, that is, a bhutardha pratyaya is used with a combination of bhavishyadardha pratyaya, or a bhutardha pratyaya with present tense vartamanardha pratyaya. Tadrusha ayodhokta kalaha yadha ukta kalaha na yadha ukta kalaha ayadha yukta kalaha. So, this is, if you go on clarifying it, yasmin kale pratyayah vihitaha tatah anyatra kale api prayuktaah pratyayah sadhavo bhavanti ityarthaha. That means, the pratyayas prescribed and used in whichever tense they are proper and fit in respect of a different tense when two dhatus are used in different tenses. If you take an example, it will be very clear. One example is Agnishtomayaji Asya Putro Janita. Asya Putro Janita is the main sentence here. Janita is in future tense. Sova Anantara Kaleva Janishyati iti Jan dhatoho lut prachayaha. Anadyatana bhavishyat kalarthaka lut prachayaha. A son is going to be born to this fellow. What type of son? That son, that Janita, Janayitru son, has been qualified as Agnishtomayaji. Agnishtomena yashtaha icharthaha. A person who has conducted a sacrifice called Agnishtomayaga. Here, a son who performed a religious sacrifice named Agnishtoma is going to be born to this gentleman. So, if you state in other words the same sentence, the son going to be born to this gentleman will perform the Agnishtoma sacrifice later. That means here the birth happens in future, and after the birth, when the son becomes of a due age, he will perform Agnishtoma yaga. So here Agnishtoma yaji ityatra yaja deva pujayam iti dhatoho etad bhutakalika nini prachaya. Janita ityatra tad bhavishyat kalika lut prachaya. So the combination of those two things, even though they are differently used in tenses, that will not call for any mistake. It is quite correct. Agnishtomayaji yajidhatoho karane yajaha iti nini prachayasya vidhanam. This is bhute iti anuvartate tatra. Bhutakalardhaka nini prachayaha. So, Agnishtoma is the name of the sacrifice. Agnishtomena yashtaha ityarte. Karane yajaha iti sutram. Agnishtomena, he did a sacrifice named Agnishtoma. Yajidhatoho bhutakalardhaka nini prachayaha. So, yaj plus nini. Nini means nakara itu bhavati, ikara itu bhavati, in sishyate, yaj plus in. Because of nakara, this qualifies for vruddhi. So yaj becomes yaji. Yaji plus in, yajin. Nakaranta pradipadikam, prathamaika vachane yaji iti bhavati. The point to be noted here is, this yaji is a bhutakalika prachayanta shabdaha. Janita iti bhavishyatkalika prachayanta shabdaha. Jani pradurbhave, to be born icharthe. So here, even though they are used in these prachayas are used in different tenses, the combination of those two things is valid. That is the point in the sutra. That means, Asya putraha yaha janishyamanaha saha Agnishtomena yajishyate iti vastutaha etasya vakyarthaha. That means here Agnishtomayaji iti bhutakalaha janita iti bhavishyat-kalaha dvabhyam cha sambandhaha. Agnishtomayaji, when it is connected to bhavishyat-kala prachayaha, tadapi bhavishyat-kale eva sampadhyate. So, a son is going to be born to this gentleman, and that son, when he comes of due age, he will conduct a sacrifice. Here the point to be noted is, we said qualifier and qualified. Qualified means Visheshyam. Qualifier means Visheshanam. Atra sarvatra Tigantavachyah ardhaha Visheshyah bhavati. Qualified shabdaha bhavati. Then Subantavachyah Prachayah Visheshanam bhavati. So here Agnishthomayaji is Subanta. Janita iti Tiganta. Tiganta Vishayah atra Tiganta Vachyah Visheshyah bhavati. Then Subanta Vachyah atra Visheshanam bhavati. Another example we will take. Krutaha Kataha Shvo Bhavita. Kritaha Kataha Shvo Bhavita. Shabdantaraihi uchyate chet etad asya vakyasya arthah evam bhavati. Bhavishyat kale sampadhyate kata nirmanam iti. That means if you try to translate in English, it will become the mat performed will get ready tomorrow. This looks a little odd. The mat performed, the mat constructed will get ready tomorrow. So he is going to start the construction of the mat tomorrow only. So here the point to be noted is Krutaha iti Bhutakalika Prachayah. Ta Prachayah Nishtha. Kru dhatoho Bhutakale Nishtha Prachayah. Ta Kritaha. Performed icharthaha. Bhavita iti Bhavishyatkalika Bhudhatoho Luplakaraha. So here Bhutakalika Taprachayah Sambadhyate Bhavishyatkalika Luprachayena. Tesham Sambandhaha Yuktaha eva bhavati. Yajyapi tau prachayau vibhinna kalayoho vartante tadhapi sadhureva. Another example also for ample clarification will be given. Bhavi krityam asit. Bhavi krityam asit. Bhavi krityam means a thing appropriate to be done. A thing fit to be done. Bhavi. Tad bhavi bhavati. Bhavi means future action. Asit means existed ichartha. If you translate it in English, the future action fit to be performed happened in the past. If you translate it in English, it looks a little odd. But it happened in the past. That is main sentence. What happened? The future action fit to be performed had happened. Atra etad gamaniyam. Bhavi iti bhudhatoho bhavishyat kala prachayah. Bhavishyati gamyadayah iti sutrena bhavi iti atra bhudhatoho ini prachayah nini. So bhu becomes bhau avadeshah bhavi bhavati. Bhavi is bhavishyat kala prachayah. Asit iti asa bhuvi iti dhatoho langlakara prachayah bhutarthe. Bhavishyat kalaha atra bhutakalenapi sambadhyamanaha sadhur bhavati icharthaha. Atra ekah visheshaha atra gamyamano bhavati. What is that? This is after all prachayadhikaraha. In the beginning of the chapters, third chapter itself, prachayaha parascha ityuktam. सर्वे प्रत्ययाः going to be used, going to be prescribed, they are pratyayas only. Then when pratyayadhikara continues, why punaha atra sam pratyayah iti sutre shabdah grihyate iti ashankayam uchyate. When prior to this sutra, this is quite evident. All these are pratyayas. Then here specifically pratyaya is used to denote that धात्वधिकार प्रत्ययाः धात्वधिकारे विहिताः प्रत्ययाः तद्धिताधिकारे विहिताः प्रत्ययाः अपि तयोर्मध्ये सम्बन्धः वर्तते इति ज्ञापयितुम् एतद् पुनः प्रत्ययग्रहणं कृतं. नाम धात्वधिकारे विहिताः अपि प्रत्ययाः तद्धिताः धातुसम्बन्धे सति कालभेदे साधवः यथा स्युः तदर्थं पुनः ग्रहणम्. तदर्थम् एकम् उदाहरणम् उच्यते. Let us observe this sentence. गोमान् आसीत्. गोमान् आसीत्. गोमान् इति मतु प्रत्ययान्त शब्दः. मतु तद्धित प्रत्ययः. गावः विद्यते अस्य इत्यर्थे. He has plenty of cows. He is called Goma. So this is matu pratyayah vartamana kale vihitah. That is connected to asit, existed before. Asit is langlakara. So Goman is tadhita pratyayanta vartamana kale. Asit iti tiganta pratyayanta shabdah in past tense. So present tense, the pratyaya used in present tense is connected to pratyaya used in past tense. So this is also apt to be used. The person who is having cows existed iti tasya artha. Another example also we can take. Goman bhavita. Goman is a person who is having cows. Bhavita means he is going to exist. Bhavishyat kala. Atra vartamanarthaka matu pratyayanta shabda Goman. Bhavishyat kalantaka lutlakarantakah bhavita iti shabdena sambadhyate. Now let us go to the next sutra. Kriya samabhihare lot. लोटो हिस्वौ वाच तद्ध्वमोः धातु संबंधे इति वर्तते. क्रिया समभिहारे लोट लोटो हिस्वौ वाच तद्ध्वमोः. Actually this contains 3 sentences combined in one single sutra. What are the 3 sentences? क्रिया समभिहारे लोट भवति. लोटः हिस्वौ इति आदेशौ भवतः. सेकंड सेंटेंस. वाच तद्ध्वमोः. हिस्वोः तद्ध्वमोः इति आदेशौ विकल्पेन भवतः. This is the meaning of the 3 sentences. Now Kriya Samabhihara, earlier we are introduced to this word. Samabhihara, Kriya Samabhihara means Kriyayaha Paunah Punyam. Punah Punah Bhavati Kriya Icharthaha. Adhava Bhusharthova. That means doing an action again and again, repeatedly, or doing an action intensively Icharthaha. So, प्रथमं वाक्यम एवं तस्य अर्थः भवति. समभिहार विशिष्ट क्रियावचनात् धातोः लोट् प्रत्ययो भवति सर्वेषु कालेषु. That is more important. सर्वलकाराणाम् अपवादः. What does it mean? When the dhatu is used to mean action being done again and again, repeatedly, or action being done intensively, the dhatu is used with lot pratyaya in all tenses. This is an exception to different lakaras, present, past and future. Let us take the second sentence. Tasya cha lotaha hi swa iti etau adeshau bhavataha. Lotaha, hi and swa are the adeshaha. Here both two adeshas are given for one pratyaya, lot pratyaya. So that means he is in parasmapadi dhatu, swa iti atmanepadavu bhavati. Lotaha hi iti parasmepade, lotaha swa iti atmanepade. Then lot pratyaya, when lot is used in kriya samabhihara, in such circumstances, lot pratyaya is to be substituted by he and swa. In the case of parasmepadi with he, in the case of atmanepadi with swa. Tritiyam vakyam. Lotaha vacha tadvamohu. Lotaha tadvam iti etayoho pratyayoho va tau hisvau adeshau. That means here tadvam iti etayoho pratyayoho etau va vikalpena bhavanti hisvau adeshau. Hi ityasya adeshaha ta bhavati, swa ityasya adeshaha dvam bhavati, kintu vikalpena. In the place of ta and dvam of atmanepadam, the substitute of he and swa are alternatively used. Either he is used or ta is used, either swa is used or dvam is used. Let us take some examples. Vartamana kale udaharanam. Lunihi icheva ayam lunati. Imau lunitaha. Ime lunanti. This is the sentence framed in Prathama Purusha. There also lunihi iti Madhyama Purushasya hika hi adeshaha yuktaha. Sutra samarjyat. What does this sentence mean? Lunihi icheva ayam lunati. Lunati means cuts. Lu chedane. He cuts something, repeatedly saying cut, cut. This is the meaning of the sentence. While cutting something, he repeatedly goes on stating cut, 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 cut. Ajna. Lot lakaraha. Adhava, this is a Prathama Purusha udaharanam. Lunati iti, ayam lunati iti ekavachanam. You can use in dvivachanam and bahuvachanam also. Lunihi icheva imau lunitaha. These two persons cut it, saying repeatedly, cut, cut. Bahuvachane api. Lunihi icheva ime lunanti. Lunanti is bahuvachanam. Udaharanam Prathama Purushe uktam. Trishu vachaneshu. Sarvatra lotaha hi iti adeshaha. Because of the parasmapadi dhatu, lu is here used in parasmapadi dhatu as parasmapadi dhatu. So lotaha hi iti adeshaha. Now we can take An example in Madhyama Purusha also, Vartamana Kale. Lunihi lunihi icheva tvam lunas. Yuam lunitha. Yuyam lunitha. Adhava, the third sentence, Vacha tadbhamoho. If that is implemented, lunita, lunita icheva yuyam lunitha. So, here in these examples, in these two sentences, Madhyama Purusha, Pratamam, Vartamana Kale, Lunasi iti. Anantaram, Tadeva Bahuvachane. Uttama Purushe Udaharanam. Lunihi lunihi ityeva aham lunam. Avam lunimaha. Vayam lunimaha. Here, aham lunami iti uttama purusha. Avam lunivaha iti uttama purusha dvivachanam. Vayam lunimaha iti uttama purusha bahuvachanam. Here also, lunihi, I cut this, repeatedly telling cut, icheva. Now let us take an udaharanam in Bhutakala. Lunihi icheva ayam alavit. Imau alavishtam. Ime alavishuhu. Here, alavit, ayam alavit iti Bhutakale Pratama Purusha. Lung lakaraha. Same meaning. He had cut it, saying repeatedly, cut. Adhava vivachane. Imau alavishtam. Lunihi icheva. Imau alavishtam. They both cut it, saying, they both had cut it, saying repeatedly, cut. Bahuvachane api. Ime alavisuhu. All of them had cut it, repeatedly saying cut. Madhyama Purushe Udaharanam Uchyate. Bhutakale. Lunihi icheva tvam alavihi. Yuvam alavishtam. Yuyam alavishta. This is Madhyama Purusha example. You had cut it, saying repeatedly, cut. Both of them had cut, saying repeatedly, cut. All of them had cut it, saying repeatedly, cut. Adhava, ta. Hi ityasya adeshaha ta vikalpena. Lunita icheva yuyam alavishta. Uttama Purushe Udaharanam Uchyate. Lunihi icheva aham alavishtam. Avam alavishva. Vayam alavishma. Same meaning. Here, alavishta. This is also alavishta lung lakara, bhutakale. Bhavishyati kale udaharanam uchyate. Lunihi icheva ayam lavishyati. Imau lavishyataha. Ime lavishyanti. This is Prathama Purusha Bhavishyat Kalaha. Evam Madhyama Uttamayoho api udaharyam. So, the above are the examples for Parasmara Dhatu. If you take Atmanepadi, the relative sentences will be, now we will take examples of Atmanepada Dhatu. Atmanepadam will take Adhipurvaka ing Ajayane. Here, Swa अथवा ध्वम भवतः आदेशम वर्तमान काले प्रथम पुरुषे धीस्व इत्येव अयम अधीते इमौ अधीयाते इमे अधीयते. What does it mean? He studies. Adhite means studies. He studies telling study repeatedly. they both study, saying, study, study. All of them study, saying, study, study. This is Vartamana Kale Prathama Purusha. Again, Madhyama Purusha, Adhisva, Adhisva Ityeva, Tvam Adhise, Yuvam Adhiyate, Yuyam Adhisdve. That means, here Madhyama Purusha Udaharanam. You study, telling repeatedly, study, study, study. Both of you study, telling repeatedly, study, study. All of you study, telling repeatedly, study, study. Athava, dvam also can be used. Adhidvam, adhidvam ityeva yuyam adhidve. This is the Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Now, Uttama Purusha example in Vartamana we will take. Adhisva, adhisva ityeva aham adhiye. Avam adhivahe vayam adhimahe. Here, aham adhiye, I study. Repeatedly telling, study, study. Here, what is, why this adhisva, adhisva, lunihi, lunihi? Is a double reduplication has been done. Kriya Samabhihare, generally when Samabhihara Arthe Kriya Yuktaha Dirvachanam Bhavati. That means the word will get repeated, reduplicated. अत्र प्रमाणं क्रिया समभिहारे द्वे भवतः इति वाक्यं तथैव उदाहृतं whenever lunihi is used repeatedly lunihi is used whenever adhisva is used adhisva is a reduplication has been done. But one thing we have to recollect is क्रियासमभिहारार्थे धातोः यङ् विहितः इतः पूर्वं तदपि क्रियासमभिहार अर्थः दट् इस् क्रियायाः पौनः पुण्यम् आर् भूषम् इत्यर्थे. Then when यङ् प्रत्यय is used अत्र द्विर्वचनं न भवति. Why? यङ् प्रत्ययस्य उद्देशः एव रिपीटेडली पौनः पुण्यं. दट्स् वै स्वयमेव यङ् प्रत्ययः तस्य शक्तिर्वर्तते द्विर्वचनार्थे, अतः न अपेक्षते द्विर्वचनं. Now, having finished this sutra, so we go to the next sutra. Samucchaye anyatarasyam. Atrapi lot, lotaha, hisvau, vacha tadvamoho. Etat sarvamapi purvasmat sutrat anuvartate. Samucchaye anyatarasyam. Here, samucchayaha. The samuccaya means samudaya, collection. Samudaya, कीदृशः समुदायः, केषां समुदायः, अनेकासां क्रियाणाम् एकत्र समुदायकरणम् is called samuccaya. Here in this context, samuccaya is to be understood that so many verbs have been collected at a single place, collecting at one place many actions. So, samuccayasya, what is the difference between samucchayaha and samahara, kriya samabhyaharaha? Samucchayaha means anekasam kriyanam ekatra samudayakaranam. Samabhyaharaha means एकस्याः क्रियायाः एव पौनःपुन्यकरणं भृशं करणं. So samabhihara means repetition of only one verb, whereas samuchaya means collection at a place of various verbs or actions. So the sutra means this. समुच्चीयमान क्रियावचनात् धातोः अन्यतरस्यां लोट् प्रत्ययो भवति. तस्य लोटः हिस्वौ आदेशौ भवतः तद्भमोः वा भवतः. That means when several actions are collected at a single place and stated, the dhatu gets lot. Alternately, it gets lot alternately. That means it can get lat also. In case of lot, he, swa are the substitutes for lot. He in the case of parasmayapadi and swa in the case of atmanepadi. For he, ta adeshaha, and for swam, bham adeshaha, they are also used alternately. Udaharana muchyate. It is to be noted here that several actions are clubbed together. Rashtamata, Mathamata, Kadura-mata, Salyabhidhanam ata, Ityeva ayam atati. Imau atataha, ime atanti. What does it mean? This is the example of Prathama Purusha in case of lot. Lot or lat can be used. So in case of lot, this is the example for Prathama Purusha. Ayam atati. He moves, he reaches. Imau atataha. They both reach. Ime atanti. All of them reach. What does he say? Brashtamata, Mathamata, Kadura-mata, Salyapidhana-mata, ityadi padati. Here, even though ata dhatoho, ata gatau iti dhatoho lot pratyaya used, because of this karaka bheda, they look like different kriyas. Brashtamata. What does it mean? Ata means reach. Reach, brashtam. Brashtam means a pan, cooking pan, on which the rotis etc. have been cooked. Reach the brashtam. Mathamata. Reach the matha. Matha means sannyasinam ashramaha. Kadura-mata. Kaduram means Vatayanam, window. Stali apidhana mata. Stali means vessel. Stalinam samshodhanam krutva, chalanam krutva, ekatra sthapaya ityartha. Here, even though ata is single kriya samuchayaha ityuktam kila, atra only one dhatu is there. But because of the karaka bheda, brashtam iti dvitiya, here matham iti dvitiya, kaduram, stali apidhanam, because of karaka bheda, they look like different kriyas. This is the example in Prathama Purusha. Likewise, in Madhyama Purusha also can be taken. Rashtamata, Mathamata, Kadura-mata, Ucheva tvam atasi, Yuvam atatha, Yuyam atatha. Athava, Brashtamatata, Mathamatata, Kadura-matata, Stalyapidhanam atata, Ucheva Yuyam atatha. This is the example of Vikalpena used for load. उत्तमपुरुष भ्राष्टमठ मठमठ खदूरमठ इत्यादि इत्येव अहम् अटामि आवाम् अटावः वयम् अटामः. This is the example in Uttama Purusha with a lot. अथवा in case of lat in Pradhama and Madhyama and Uttama Purusha respectively, the sentence is read like this. Bhrastamatati. Earlier we have used ata, lot. Vikalpena bhavati anyatarakyam iti uktam kila. So we can use lat lakara also. Bhrastam atati. Atati is lat lakara. Matham atati. Kadura matati. Kalyapidhanam atati. Icheva ayam atati. Imau atataha. Ime atanti. Likewise in Madhyama Purusha also. Bhrastam atasi. Atasi iti Madhyama Purusha ekavachanam in Vartamanakara. Bhrastam atasi latlakara. Mathamatasi khadura matasi. Kalyapidhanam atasi icheva tvam atasi. Yuvam atataha. Yuyam atatha. Likewise Uttama Purusha also we can use it. Bhrastamatami, Mathamatami, Khaduramatami, Kalyapidhanamatami, Ichevam Aham Atami, Avam Atavaha, Vayam Atamaha. Similarly for Atmanepadi Dhatus also. For Atmanepadi Dhatu, example, earlier we have taken Adhipurvaka Ing Ajhayaneti Dhatu, Dadeva Vikriyate Punah. Chando Adhishwa, Vyakaranam Adhishwa, Niruktam Adhishwa, Icheva Ayam Adhite, Imau Adhiyate, Ime Adhiyate. Here, Adhishwa, Adhipurvaka Ing Ajhayaneti Atmanepadi Dhatoho, Madhyama Purusha lot. Here, Madhyama Purusha lot, Atmanepadi, normal pratyaya is tatam cha thas. Thas ityasya se iti adesho bhavati. Tasya sakaradhanantaram ekarasya swamau sababhyam vamau iti sutrena sakarat anantarasya ekarasya va iti adesho bhavati. So swa bhavati. So when after ikara swa is used, sa is converted into sakara, adhiswa iti rupam bhavati. So adhiswa is the Madhyama Purusha lot lakare atmanepadau ekavachanam. So now Madhyama Purusha also we can quote the example. Chando adhiswa, vyakaranam adhiswa, niruktam adhiswa, icheva tvam adhishe, yuvam adhiyate, yuyam adhidve. Athava we can use dhvam also. Chando adhidhvam, vyakaranam adhidhvam, niruktam adhidhvam, icheva yuyam adhidve. Uttama Purusha example. Chando adhishwa, vyakaranam adhishwa, niruktam adhishwa, icheva aham adhiye, avam adhivahe, vayam adhimahe. Alternately when lat is used, chando adhite, vyakaranam adhite, niruktam adhite, icheva ayam adhite, imau adhiyate, imau ime adhiyate. In Madhyama Purusha also likewise, chando adhise, vyakaranam adhise, niruktam adhise, icheva tvam adhise, yuvam adhiyate, yuyam adhidve. Likewise, in Uttama Purusha also, chando adhiye, vyakaranam adhiye, niruktam adhiye, icheva aham adhiye, avam adhivahe, vayam adhimahe. Now, having finished this sutra in detail, you take up the next sutra. 344. Yadha vidhyanuprayogaha purvasmin. Yadha vidhyanuprayogaha purvasmin. Kanda vibhaga kriyate. Yadha vidhi anuprayogaha purvasmin. Here, पूर्वस्मिन् इत्युक्तम्. That requires some clarification. We have Panini has prescribed lot by two sutras. The first sutra being Kriya Samabhihare iti. Kriya Samabhihare lot, lotau, hisvau, etc. The second sutra is Samuchaye Anyatarasyam. Here Purvasmin means Purvam lot vihitam dvabhyam sutrabhyam tatra Purva sutrena yad vihitam asti tasya ityartha. That means Kriyasam Bihare lot ichari sutrena yad vihitam tad Purva sutram. So Purvasmin vidhau, that means Purvasmin lot vidhane ityartha. Samuchaye Anyatarasyamiti param sutram. Purva sutrena cha parasutrena cha lot vihitam. Etat sutram purvasmin lot vidhane ityartha. Arthat द्वितीय सूत्रेण यस्मिन् लोट विहितः तत्र इत्यर्थः. अनुप्रयोगः भवति यथाविधि. विधि यथाविधि मीन्स विधिम् अनतिक्रम्य. अनुप्रयोगः धातु संबंधे इत्युक्तं पूर्वसूत्रे. यत्र धातुद्वयं प्रयुज्यते ययोर्मध्ये विशेष्य विशेषण संबंधः वर्तते तद् धातु संबंधः इत्युक्तम्. तत्र प्रथमं धातुः द्वितीयः धातुः. द्वितीयः धातुः अनुप्रयुक्तः धातुः इति उच्यते. अनुप्रयोगः धातु संबंधे सिद्धः एव. अनुप्रयोगे यथाविधि एव भवति इति वक्तुमेव एतस्य सूत्रस्य निर्माणम्. यस्माद् धातोः लोट् विधीयते तस्यैव धातोः अनुप्रयोगः भवति. अनुप्रयोगः मीन्स् असिस्टिंग इत्यर्थः. मिक्सिंग विथ एज ए सेकंड रिपीटिशन इत्यर्थः अनुप्रयोगः. यस्माद् धातोः लोट् विहितः सह एव धातुः अनुप्रयोक्तव्यः इत्यर्थः. In the context of dhatu sambandha, it implies that two dhatus are used, one after another. On the first dhatu, lot is prescribed. The second dhatu should also be the same, but not a different dhatu. Even if the meaning of the different dhatus are, even if different dhatus can be used in the same meaning, the same dhatu on which lot vihitam, that alone is to be used. We will take one example for clarification. Lunihi lunihi icheva ayam lunati. Lunihi lunihi kriya samabhihare paunah punyam. Lunihi lunihi icheva ayam lunati. Here lunihi lu chedane asmad dhatoho lot vihitam. According to the sutra, the same dhatu is to be used as anuprayukta dhatu. Here, the point to be noted is lunihi lunihi icheva ayam lunati icheva uktam. Same dhatu is used. The dhatu in the same shape. But there are other dhatus in the same meaning with different shapes that cannot be used. For example, chinatti, lunati ityartheva chinatti. Chid vidarane iti dhatuhu. Lunati means breaking, chinatti means also breaking. So, yadyapi chinatti iti dhatuhu tadeva ardham bhakti atra anuprayogah tasya na bhavati. Kevala lu dhatureva anuprayogah bhavati. A second dhatu, even though it has got the same meaning, it will not be used as anuprayukta dhatu. Another example we will take for parasmaipadi dhatu, atmanepadi dhatu. Adhishva icheva ayam adhite. Here also अधीस्व अधीस्व देयर क्रिया समभिहारार्थं लोट यूज्ड अनुप्रयोगः अपि अधिपूर्वक इंग भवति न तु अन्य धातुः even though that dhatu he has got the same meaning. For example, अधीस्व अधीते अधीते इति अधिपूर्वक इंग चेनि प्रथम पुरुष लट्लकारे एकवचनम. The same meaning we can use patha also. Pathati also can be used, but that is should not be used as anuprayoga here. He reads while uttering repeatedly read. Here for read we have used adhipurvaka ing for lot. Same dhatu is to be used in the anuprayoga also. Now we will go to the next sutra. Samucchaye सामान्यवचनस्य धातु संबंधे अनुप्रयोगः. Earlier पूर्वस्मिन् सूत्रे यद् लोट विहितं तत्र तत् कार्यम् उक्तम्. इदानीं समुच्चये द्वितीय सूत्रं यत्र लोट विहितं समुच्चये अन्यतरस्याम् इति. तेन यद् विहितं लोट तद् अत्र परामृश्यते. This sutra refers to the lot lakara vidhanam in the second sutra, that is samucchaye anyatarasyam. Samucchaye samanya vachanasya anuprayogah bhavati ityarthah. Samucchaye samanya vachanasya dhatoh anuprayogah kartavyah. Anuprayogah, as I already explained, additional use, repetition ityarthah. समुच्चये अन्यतरस्यामिति द्वितीय लोड विधान सूत्रेण यद् विहितमस्ति तस्य लोड विधाने सामान्यवचनस्य एव अनुप्रयोगः भवति. समुच्चयः already explained collection of so many actions. So when so many actions have been taken for samabhiharah, for repetition, then सामान्य वचनस्य अनुप्रयोगः भवति. इत्युक्ते सामान्य वचनं means the dhatus used in the lot lakara, practically those dhatus will not be used, but their meaning, a dhatu which carries their meaning, the meaning of all the dhatus, that will be used as anuprayoga. The usage of dhatu with the meaning common to all the verbs is used as additional use, anuprayoga. Udaharanam uchyate odanam bhunchva saktun piba dhanaah khada icheva ayam abhyavaharati. Here bhunchva, piba, khada, they are all lot lakaras. भुंक्ष्वा इति लोट लकारः भुज धातोः, भुज अनवने आत्मनेपदी धातुः भुंक्ष्वा. पा पाने परस्मैपदी लोट लकारः मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनं पिबा. खाद्रु भक्षणे इति धातोः परस्मैपदी धातोः लोट लकारे मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनम्. ओदनं भुंक्ष्वा सक्तून् पिबा धानाः खादा. अत्र when these sentences are repeatedly used, then we have to take for anuprayoga the samanya meaning of these dhatus. Bhojanam, panam, khadanam. Samanya vachanam atra is abhyavaharaha. This bhojanam, panam and khadanam, they are all used in abhyavahara. Abhyavaharaha, previously in the grammar, in grammatical language, eating, drinking, etc., they are known as abhyavaharaha. So, abhyavahararthaka dhatuhu abhyavaharati, that is used as anuprayogaha. Odanam bhunchva saktun piba dhanah kada icheva ayam abhyavaharati. Sarva vishesha anuprayogaha tasya nivrutyarthameva etad. Nama भोजन धातुर्वा पान धातुर्वा खाद धातुर्वा तत्र न अनुप्रयोक्तव्यः. We have to take only the common meaning by a different dhatu. This bhuja dhatuh, pa dhatuh, khad dhatuh, tesham anuprayoga atra nishiddha. But it can be argued also for the reason of taking equal meaning. We are taking that equal meaning dhatu for simplicity, we can say. But that is not correct. In people's language, general people's language, simplicity is not respected. Only in Shastric language, simplicity is respected. So, here, abhyavaharati iti samanya vachanam. We can quote other examples also. Now, from the next sutra, 346 up to 3417, all these sutras are applicable only in Vedic grammar. So, during the first study of our Paniniyam, we are not going to take Vaidika Prayogas. So, we will switch over to 3418, 18th rule in the next class. We will come to our friend with Shanti Mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.